here we go.
Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
Hey, what's going on, Tremendous Q fans? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q, and I'm back with another video for you guys. All right, now, you know I got to thank everybody for stopping by. So no matter how you got here, whether you found the channel intentionally or you tripped over it, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and cut on those notifications, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like what you see here. All right, lets everybody know, including YouTube, the algorithm, that we're doing good things here on the channel. Now, today I got a cool video for you guys. I'm doing a reverse-sear tomahawk steak, but I'm doing it a little bit different. I have not done this on the channel before. You guys should stick around. Let's see if I end up burning my eyebrows off. All right, I'm actually quite interested to see if I do that myself. All right, let's go check it out. Let's go ahead and get this tomahawk open. You know, for a second there, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I normally do my voiceovers. I normally do videos as voiceovers, so as I got my new equipment, it's taking me a little while to remember. I actually get to talk during these videos now, which is, for me, really cool. But what I'm realizing is that I have to remember to talk to you guys as I'm doing the videos. All right, so tomahawk steak, we're gonna be reverse-searing this bad boy, all right? You saw this is Ireland beef. It's an Ireland tomahawk. Marbling is meh, right? I'm gonna leave this out. I'm gonna leave this out because I want it room temperature when I throw it on the grill. I don't have a lot of daylight left, so I really need to make sure I do this quickly for you guys, all right? So today we are actually going back to our coffee as a rub. So very similar rub to what we did on the last video with the bison. We're gonna have brown sugar, pepper, salt, crushed red pepper, and some coffee. But instead, what I'm going to do is about 1 part coffee to about three or four parts salt, pepper, and then about 4 parts brown sugars. So let's go ahead and get our rub made, get this steak rubbed down, and see if our pit is ready for grill. So like I said, the main reason I'm going back with another coffee rub is because I really just need to get rid of it. If I'm being honest with you guys, all right? Now with the reverse sear, for those of you that are not familiar with that technique, what you do is you smoke your meat, your steak, whatever it is, normally a steak. You're gonna smoke your steak first, and then after it's done, if you're looking for about medium rare, what you would do is pull it off when it gets to about 145-ish degrees. You can let it rest for a couple of minutes. And then while it's resting, you're gonna let your grill, you're gonna kick the temperature up, all right? You want it to as hot as you can get it, about 500, 600 degrees. And then you throw your steak on for about 1 minute to 2 minutes on both sides, and you sear off the outside, and it creates a very beautiful bark, okay? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be doing a reverse sear on this tomahawk steak, all right? Now, we got this all the way rubbed down. We're gonna let this sit for a couple of minutes, and we're gonna go check our pit and see if it's time to get this steak on. So I'd say our coals are pretty much good to go. All right, so here's the deal. Because I'm going to be doing a reverse sear, I want a 2-zone method on my kettle grill, okay? So 2-zone method, we have our charcoals on the left-hand side, we have our cool side on the right. This is pretty much ready for our 2-zone method. Grab the lid, let's go inside and get our wood chips. All right, we got our Tabasco wood chips. We're gonna go ahead and just throw these nice solid handful on our coals. All right. Yep. I think that's good enough for government work. We're gonna shut the lid. By the time we come back, we should have a nice, decent smoke on those. And ready to put our Tomahawk on. Let's go get this thing. All right, what do you guys think? Yeah? Looking pretty good? Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and throw this bad boy on. We don't want to waste any of that smoke. I think that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get the lid closed and let this thing work its magic. We'll be back in about 10-ish minutes to check out how the smoke is going, how the cook is going, see if the bark is starting to form on this Tomahawk, all right? Let's see how we are looking. Okay. Yeah. God, seriously, you guys, I really just love the color on barbecue, especially when you get Tomahawks and you get that nice mahogany color there on the bone, man. That is just sexy. So let's go ahead and close the lid. We'll come back in another 10 minutes or so. All right, been about 20-25 minutes. I think this is looking pretty good. All right, like I said, with reverse searing, we got a 2-zone method. Our wood chips have burned down, as you can see. We got a little bit of smoke left, but I think this is looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Yeah? Let's go ahead and close it off. Give it a couple more minutes, and then we'll come back out for a temp. All right, let's see how we are looking. Get a quick temperature check. 137, 38. We got a couple more minutes to go. All right, a couple more minutes to go. Let's go ahead, close the lid. So we're gonna give this a couple more minutes, let the Tomahawk get up to temperature internally, and then we'll pull it off, add the charcoals, open the vents all the way up, and then bring it back out to sear it off on our reverse sear with a little flambe. All right, let's see how we're doing. Ooh. God, that should be illegal to look that good. Got our probe. Whoa. Okay, I think I went 147. All right, I think, guys, I think that we're good to go. All right, let's go ahead and pull this thing off. Let's go inside and see what rum we're going to be using, because, you know, I like rum. All right, so the rum we are going to be using is Caracas. All right, this is a Venezuelan rum. I have an affinity for Venezuelan rums. They just don't seem to really ever let me down. All right, this one has more of a peach, and there is my production manager slash director slash producer. Yeah. Rums in general have a high sugar content, but this one has a higher sugar content, which is going to be great for the flambe technique here on this Tomahawk steak. All right, this is what we're going to be using for our flambe technique. Let's go ahead. We got our fire, our side going. You hear that sizzle? Yeah, buddy. We got our steak on the fire, the hot side. We are now searing it off. All right, I'm gonna give it about a minute on both sides, because again, we're done cooking. All we're doing at this stage is searing off the outside to get that nice charred flavor. Let's go ahead and sear it off. We're gonna go ahead, throw it in the bottom of the grill, and we're gonna watch this flame erupt. All right, here we go. I think that looks pretty good. What y'all think? Let's go ahead and flip it, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, we've had our steak flipped. Let's go ahead, hit it with another shot of rum on this side, and it will be ready. It's to be time to pull it off. 1, 2 and flambe. Wow. If that is not a fun technique, I don't know what is. Let's go ahead and pull this steak off. All right. So that's what there we go. All right. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy inside. Okay. So let's cut this bad boy open and see how it turned out. Ooh. Nice. See a little cut right down the middle. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks great. That looks absolutely great. Alright. I can smell the rub, but I don't smell a ton of coffee, which is good. Let's see. Oh god, that pull. You know what, guys? Like, if you haven't cooked a tomahawk steak, you absolutely have to. We got a nice crust on the outside, right? I think that's looking pretty good. Let's see what it's tasting like. Much better on that seasoning. We got that coffee flavor, but it's not super strong. It's just a hint of it. I think the family is really gonna like it this time around, all right? I appreciate you guys checking out this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little close-up so you guys can see on the inside of this thing how it actually turned out. It might have been a teeny bit overcooked, okay? We still got a little pink there on the one side, but I think that all in all, it still turned out pretty good, all right?